Welcome. I just built this chair. It's very easy to build. Even someone like me can build this chair, which means you can probably build it way faster and way better than I can. But I've got to tell you, I really like it. Let me show you why. First of all, this is a very high quality. I build a lot of these office chairs. This is a very high quality chair. The padding on the armrests and even the stability of the armrests, the look of them, kind of like the design, the finish elements make it really nice, but the material is also really nice. It's kind of like probably like a synthetic. It's kind of like a synthetic leather, and that pad is definitely like a mattress. I mean, this thing's comfortable. If you're going to be in this for a long haul, doing a lot of work or doing a lot of gaming, I think this is going to be really good for you. You also have a standalone headrest that's adjustable, so that's going to fit you really well. It's also got lumbar support, and all you do is press it left and it starts shooting out. So if you need more support for your back, more firm support, you've got that there. I also like the high quality rollers, so that makes it super easy to get around. But I'm going to show you the best parts about this. So the first thing is, let's do the basics. We'll do the lift. This thing's got a high lift. So that was the lower. This is higher. All right, so we've got that. We also have a second one here that says recline. So right now we're in the locked position, but if we pull up on that, we can actually recline back. And you can recline back quite a ways, but it doesn't stop there, because we can actually, boom, we can actually take a nap here. Or we can game right here, keyboard right here, mouse right here. We're getting some work done, writing some emails, getting some people on the game and winning and showing everybody on YouTube how amazing it is. Obviously, this is a great place to recline while we're watching the world go to trash right now. But hey, you know what? It is what it is. At least you got a nice office chair.